Okay, this is part 2 of dividing unit fractions by whole numbers. So let's take a look at this problem, 1/4 divided by 4. So here we have our whole, and here's 1/4 right here. Let's divide that 1/4 into 4 parts. So now after dividing up our fourth into 4 parts, if we take a look at one of those parts right here, that is 1/16 of the whole. So we could prove that we're correct by multiplying our quotient, 1/16, by our divisor, which is 4 wholes, of course, and that comes out to 4/16, which equals 1/4. So we are correct. Now, another way to solve this problem is, remember yesterday we were multiplying a reciprocal, or of our divisor, we took the reciprocal. We could do the same thing with this. If we said 1/4 times, instead of 4 ones, 1/4, that's 1/4 is a reciprocal of 4 ones, then we get 1/16. So that's another way to solve it. Okay, so for number 1, the answer is 1/16.